What's going on, guys? This is Steven with Superior Concepts again. So today what we got for you today, this is one of my favorite types of customers, all right? So this is a 2011 Chevy Cruz, single owner. This customer this has a lot of sentimental value to him. He absolutely loves this car, and what I want to do today is help bring new life and new pride into it. This has over 250,000 miles on it, so he's been definitely driving this. It's been exposed to all kinds of stuff from UV radiation. If you look over here on the top of the hood, we've got lots of oxidization. This will be the big focus that we're gonna try and correct today. That way, hopefully when we're all done, we have ourselves a brand new car that looks better than what any 2021 model is gonna look like on the road today. Let's go ahead and get to work. So look, I'm adding her on to my bills and things.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna cut the audio?
Alright guys, we're currently washing this car down using our 2-bucket method. The soap that we're using isn't actually a soap, it's actually a very, very strong and professional grade stripping agent. What I use this for is to be sure that I remove all the wax and tar and any type of sealants or anything that could still be left on this paint that just isn't that visible. That way I have a nice clean canvas to work with to make it easier whenever I clay this out and correct it with my orbital. Okay, so we're here right now at the cut with the owner of this car. We've just finished up the wash and we're about to start the clay bar right here. Now this one here, I always talk about it and I always say, clay is the way. So your car has never been clay barred before. And just run your fingers across your car right now. You feel that drag in that pool?
Yes, sir.
And you see how even with this fresh wash and the towel dry, you still have this haze in here.
Yes.
So over time, our clear coat, it has pores in there. It's going to develop debris, debris and embedded materials in it. And the clay barring is the only way to get that stuff out. So we're going to run through with the clay real quick, just a spot, just to show you how well this stuff works and how easy it is for you to do this at home. Just like this, just in these motions. And it just pulls out all the debris and everything.
So just an up and down motion, not a circular motion?
Never circular. Never ever do circular on your car.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Okay, we've just clay barred half your hood. So we can already see the difference between your right side and your left side. And I'd like you to just drag your finger across the part that's been clay barred and the side that hasn't been. And tell me if you feel a difference.
Oh, that's much smoother.
Significantly smoother, because right now you can just see in here all of this embedded material from years and years that have been inside your clear coat. Once we wipe all this embedded material off of here from the clay bar, your car is going to look how it looked fresh off the lot day one you bought it.
Well, that'll be nice.
And we're going to finish this up. All right, we've just finished up the wash and the clay bar now. Now it's time for us to bust out the tools. Well, let's start correcting all this oxidization and all these defects. Let's get to work.
Go.
What's up, guys? We are now complete with the 2011 Chevy Cruz. This thing, as you can tell, looks absolutely amazing. Better than what it did when it came fresh off the lot. The shine, the metallic flakes, they're all just brought to brand new life. Corrections, everything. This ourselves is a brand new car. Remember, guys, we did this stuff with the right skills, the right equipment, and our special ceramics. When you think ceramic, you need to think Superior Concept, guys. We'll catch you next time.